Yasa Jana do ye fiti kotia ni ho agye afie mu. Aya Sompa 93.1 kasia baba ko pay ayagye atum. Wo ma Ghana wiase afa na nyina. Ena bra social de ebasom mu. Yadamo live our Facebook ho ya Sompa 93.1 YouTube. Ano so ya Sompa TV na maremfi. Sa wo ko sunyane yankwankwa anu ase afie mu wan ma biem. Sompa 98.9. Yadamo nyina mu ase. Anansa mo do ya de ba no ne eduma kotenu bi enie. Ajore fonka ba mu ko guta wo mo de atodwa a kire mu. Sa de agiare won ma hyase a won mo yere nyame anim ni. Sa won ma nyaye a wo mo so ebekeka wo mo ho.
Yede kan abomamane se nu a yede won kwala ntotofe wa ehho kwa atwe wo man Ghana mu a short ye no enne atadwufo wa yate denne
Asan Central Mashaba Jani Yara Canada compra kwa Japan so na kasai was a god for all your honsan sam na one day wadadwen ho a wantenu mabiase
ewo Yara Canada ohina Japan sensem na mu no ode atodwa so wono de so wotena sepa aka so wo ye hwan so man no tetempa sam de enye ye nemom eba ne so wonfa sobo emfa mokuo bi a ene na aban mu mpanyifo
ani ayotati a kire sa wokọ tamale abayare sabia Entobro ya dia no abusia vasena ye nyanti enkoda besenum wonom ayenyamedea
odifo bi atuntesu atofom na sem odi tudwaye ne de ye de ni na beba bedam esane se mu orem pa
ansam wani afoforo bi ya bobo ne nyina no ye se ho nkonya de basomo sanme no nsia kasebo na ya shana so sententa fedie no so ansam ne nyina da ya kroche de akwakogo benya bi no wakenkan aya www.sompaonline.com okwa ne nyina da ba kenka fe wadwonkyera na asasuhye no ane de no obu okwa so wadaro ma ya fafa Facebook and YouTube fama ya brepam ya ba kenka ne nyina da na ya de amon ana so fomienu ane agye adwa medin ene akosia ajewa akode boaten mene
akua boachewa asampa etia
ensem no enchimu ankasa eni Ajode fonka bubu ko guta won maba wonte so ya wakasa a kire mu sa anhwe ya won be pushu won mo papa no atenta so de akira ban na fe wa makoja boa ye den papa esanse ne Ghana Revenue Authority won ma hyase ni won mo di agoro bia nyame anim ni akwakwa se kunturumu na mefa ba nwoto eno so nya agopakora ya wo ba so so e wo ma Ghana emu wo kire mu sa adwarefo a won mo konkofa manhyo ebimokura pokon krane ade kofa nneoma no sa wode nneoma ne firi nkran na de ba kumase abusua sane agiare wo mo se betete wa brabo na customfo no enya sam keto akora enam so ma adwadie no korampo no eya fono wo mo se wo mo ankasa te wo mo koro so no mpeso mo digwa na so so ma Ghana mpanyimfo pese wo mo boapa ama adwadie no kobisi basa na won mo sika hye de enya de obetena se amanfofo adane won mo kwaye enam so aso minti no ena dadua yi Ghana fa pem dwumade so ya na ya obo amale bia boga wotena na dwamu no won panyipa ba ko ya wodi mu tintimman ewokuo ni mu Yera Anthony opon atwetwe nkomo ana wo kire mu se sade aban no wo ye no wanwa nyaye a wo mo de wo mo kan ya ko aye no ne mpransa so no obepusu ho
yes papers for kwa adwadifo everything sisi am say the custom for money chiri ni so mbe say container sikas o de am say omo client mi kura container bia etwam wasantre gen ha bia akwan bia so no say sa task force ndim na ne omu no say chama kokura still unless of course transit Cote d'Ivoire for Niger ne Burkina for no de na ekone de ba say bagana hanu mo kwa na etwam wasantre gen hanu mo de a Cote d'Ivoire no was a problem no
okay
na e shase last year na omo the task force de omu no say nka oyi pie free tema port takra di port na usi kwa so na oba ofiri nkran kwa so na oba obedu bunso custom for mpany for horom
yes
o pipa ye de ma o port horom e chese container no pia duty ntutimi di pie no omo hwe no master mputo sampa o ma cheke utua duty oba aba bedu kubase ye ne ashantre gi hanom omo so task force for horom no mo so ahwe no mo so stamp so na koma hu se container no otuaka na ne na omu no say ada say omo check say sankofo menu no mo ya adwuma ni yenti no mo ashantre gen task force ba kon okwan mu a omo ehwe say enema na eba no utua duty no de kwampa so a
okay
ntini was a regional task force on mo no afede ye hu ya na say omo sa kofa national task force na omo ha adwene no pa ya national for no pa na sisi omo ha adwene so mu free ni na edo omo ba besi an no na ni omo say national task force no assistant commissioner the whole region custom nyina national so kra mo report ma no omo report to Accra direct and omo officer back no omo headquarters one mo akotela ono KTI honom ono so mo report ma no enti impo assistant commissioner no wa central general no say in case say bibia ba no wo ba mu kura okwa osuro because when say hwa na ya ba na be be interest bi na oba mu anase omo report ma assistant commissioner na started last year enti asa ne be di bronya no good executives here call penyini na oda no wo horom na no ene ne ko transi ene ne kasa ya no ka chese o tu kwan na wa be obehwa se bibia begyan ya gini die enya gide wo no mu twɛn be sine na ya de ni nyaye
Awusiawai Ayora Anthony Wapon wano demu tintiman awa Ghana Union of Traders Association guta ekwonimu. Nanoche no majority leader yo wama Ghana mrashe bejafie. Wano kroya wabaswami abato mpeso aswa. Waya mrashe bejani. Yera wasai chairman sabonsu. Wano so de tuja chere musa sebrede watiane nechi kakra. Na nyame ya domno bedrua. Wabasa ajobreo ebetumi aye juma.
Okay. We'll look at that. Because seriously, the Obi is very fast about. You know Tema or the bank so from Tema straight to maybe at the shop or Accra. Looking with so that's what so be so the back. So be at the far point or so. Only the fan conquer the far point so be come say. Let's say we will say for commercial crime be. Very yet that you know. Discriminatory. I waiting to say from that. Abe na upi tema bank na bi. Upi we no move as fast as we na so.
Sompa 93.1. Matthias Honorable.
I agree say o say a start pan so we decide any faso. Because obi e dey ko tamali, obi dey ko sunyane, obi dey be kuma pe. Na ri ko bu kuma se kwen ni. Obi go bu sunyane kwen, obi go bu tamali kwen mu a. O ha ni fa ko no mo. There's anything to be done. Do it at the port at Tema. We Then what the bank won't fat pressure the Andrews on. How the cook must any or the pressure the Andrews on. Okay. I agree that that harassment is not even you see no coin. But you know me the trust me.
I was showing you turning I majority leader yo my Ghana mrashe bejafie. Yera wasai chairman sa bonsu.
Abusua de kan de beda mo saye mayimu enura hodo ya de won kwala ntotofe wa na ho akwatwe ashort papa ewo ya mayimu na ene gisema ba atadwefo wa yate denne esane say Ministry of Health and Ghana Health Service ene de ya da first consignment measles vaccines abedru BCG vaccines enso abedru ene oral polio vaccines enso ka ho ene mrahye bedwani wo kasa wa mrahye bedwafie no odi tudwa no wo kire say asama na hu hia yie pa ene wontimi ntena se empia sa asemi enhweketa se enu tie rakwaku agema menu ya wono asan yesoafo ede hwe Ghana ya pomoden samso ene wode sansem woni na atudwa wo mrahye bedwafie mu.
It's a very serious public interest issue. The assurances I will give, and I can give for the first time in the chamber here, that this will not happen again. And I will advise that you help me in my advocacy to get adequate funding for vaccines, even the health insurance budget. Right? So when we meet with the committee, we have always been talking about it, and even in the chamber, it has come up. So that if Parliament approves adequately for us, we always have our budget well defined. We'll be able to supply, and I'll assure you that whatever challenges that happens, I don't think we're going to face these possible challenges any longer. And I'll stand here and assure the House that within the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we'll get vaccines. Possibly, probably before that. Even probably before that. So I can't lay my hands on specific dates. But even probably before that, we may get the vaccines, probably even earlier than the 2 weeks that I'm talking about.
Why yera kwaku agema menu no na yeso afọ hwe manga ne apomoden samson wodi tudwa mrahye be yefeze vaccines ne dia bedru na no ya wada kora ne bedru ye.
Na sava sene won sansam ya twene srane abasa no na yatete a kire mo se wokọ Tamale Teaching Hospital enkoda be se num bia hru se wan mo yade entobro yade ne bia busia awofo de wan be pie wan mo hwe sanka dokotafo be gina wan mo so ntenten nanka wan ma wo wan mo mpane asoso wo manum sane be ya yade no wo betumi asoso no na so wo kurade a enkwantum nye anam sava sene sabra ne mu ne binya me pie mu e wayar sabia wonti no ene meka se nkoda num no mpanyefo kyerem se wono nyina da etinanam ewonse do na pediatric and health child health at the Tamale Teaching Hospital panyepa ya wadano aye Professor Al-Hassan Abdul Mumin wana no nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ adi nkɔmmɔ ya wɔkyerɛ mo sɛ wɔkɔ sa Tamale Teaching Hospital wɔn mo a wɔn wɔte wɔyɛ adwuma no finhyia makoma kodum mienu nie enti wɔni mu paa sɛ yadeɛ bi ba na sɛ yɛntoboro yadeɛ a wɔhu no sane yadeɛ no setie ɛnhyɛ ahodoɔ bi ɛne kwan a ɛwɔ so wɔfa so na yadeɛ no nyina da wɔtumi to ase enti wɔdi nyame anim ni agye wɔn mo nsɛm.
Those cases that are pending since November last year that we do not have the results back from the testing laboratory. So when we said we have 5 mortality, the cases that we have been. So we had 5 cases who, we admitted with suspected measles. And the suspected measles, they have all the features that you would document for a child or a patient that has measles. The only reason why we so called them suspected cases was that we do not have the laboratory results up to now. And since November, we have documented cases like that. So actually, we do have mortalities, even if they are not confirmed because the laboratory results is not available. And I repeat again that for me, this is not the first time I'm actually seeing cases of measles. Many healthcare workers might not have seen for some time now. But I've been in Tamale for the last 12 years. And actually in 2013, we had another mini outbreak. I was privileged to be around and manage those cases. So I know what a case of measles look like from the features that they present with. And the case definition leaves nothing for ambiguity. So when you see a suspected case of measles, you are only waiting to get the laboratory confirmation so that you can now say that this is a confirmed case of measles. When they say they don't have, because they are saying that they do not have confirmed cases, yes, it's because the laboratory test is not there. But actually, we would have been happy that really we do not have any, cases of death. But we do have, although the labs, testing is not confirmed.
Abosani Atana Professor Al-Hassan Abdul Mumin wano wako Tamale Teaching Hospital eho enwudini juma.
Asen Central de Shekonkro ni monyafo Kennedy ohine Japan ya wono asade ne trimupo atodwa wo kire se ni monimu ya wo pese wo him Frank Adema MPP amanyoku wono ene wodi todwa no wo kire se watena sia asese hu so man Ghana bra ye bre aho kire ye kom ne sika sama ye bibia wo ho no ne na free ye mpanyifo mu trimu oden ene ye mpotimamufo adwenfe bi akita wo mo eno ntina ama ye ntime nkoye nim wodi Sansemoni na tujwa enrada wabro be piemu our Sompa TV studios ha say our Kent our dwumadie ne so.
Ghana, we have the natural resources. We need honest leaders. We need honest citizens. Not only leaders. We are all part of the problem. We should begin to think, say, ye pese Ghana ye nyina yensesa ya dwene. Na ye move Ghana. Politicians alone cannot do it. Video bi. Emsa cycle ho baby o. Enna squatters a. Omo ahihye omu nyoma ene ayi wo ho a. Omo beye development wo ho no. Squatters no have a right. A blocku grader no a ebegwisu omu. What kind of system is this? Omo de dade ananim wonfa wo mu so. This same person, oko Dubai, oko China, odru airport wa pa na adwene no asesa. He conforms with the rules and regulations. But hadie office any opepi also otumi da form say omma yen clear ho. Can you do that in China? Can you do that in Dubai? Can you do that in England? Can you do that in US? Why say untumi nye ho de ahade ofu say also you see it cuts across Ghana fo a omakosua bibi kura free abrochire oduru Heathrow airport he conforms to the rules and regulations of immigration or the country. Of America he conforms. Oduru Ghana Kotoka airport pa office say emrano should be different. Now be so mo ko the same ekono onya kukuduro mpo any immigration officer wo UK enko but oduru Ghana fe no kontokwa. Yes, So we have to conscientize Ghanaians and change our mindset if we want to develop. And we need bold leaders who call a spade a spade. What you say? Move or mine.
Why Yura Kennedy or Hine Japan was central de Concron, Yawa Noa Cypress will be him Franca, and Diama MPP Amayokona no be PM was on TV if you are saying, war resan Samugu papa, and Mubi and Yabamuetino.
I can't say what Juma dear Nimu Faber be Yura Kennedy Japan South and Numutu. Echra Mosa, Junior never be one Tiasia so my gun and Yamia Shraye, Wama Escako, a BM was Shama Yoko, San Kayan Hasho. Now, man one can see a Japadia Moho by Naso show. Yet me a tablet in Yadadia Quasia or what Equasibu Nicromusia de Quaquaja no was so a dodging who are Sabi previous. When him the Ayaba and Penny for Najimua, and I'm sure my son Mutuwi, one more at two. Coco, this one cost cancer, Jumedia Shon Wakasano, and some say and what kind. Coco, this one cost syndication, and son woman is Cabe. How? I always ask them, and Timuankaza Coco na Matono Muniska, Murbetria Equafoka. Na motimia store cocoa no for higher price. Na there be a mumma a brofi detective how much they will buy your cocoa. Gold that will cost South Africa they will use minerals develop South Africa. Ghana ha obi to gold no. Ya ema hikura ni abrofo no. Ghana for there although mu says you who friend galam say mummisa empenfo mu wa Ghana ha say new montahino mutua magana. We want to know. We want to know. How the helicopter be see every week. Ya sisa gold papa. Who watches them? Ghana government. How do you know how much gold you get out? Does it make sense to you? Gold. Who they cut oil? Gold for oil. Why don't you sell your gold, make the money and go and buy the oil and go through a middleman? Me man go school. But economics in a gumitrimu keke. Man go school. Simple things that we can do. And I'm surprised. You see, we have the men. We are hailing gold for oil. Jesus Christ. We need to move. Adia, no more ye good in a small scale. Omo ye ni sankabe. But we go to gold. Gold in cry femu to free galam sepo. And the new one to for any Anglo gold any one. What are they doing? The country is sick and we need a bitter pills for us to get healed.
Woman wanka sadia sabin pedra sayagade ye here dropa. Ya betu media say and we are dear way. I are central Mrashebjani. Yera Kennedy e Japan. Ye fifi semnimuno and ya yankom Mrashebje fie. Director at the Faculty of Academic Affairs, Yawa Noah Sawa Kofiana International Peacekeeping Training Center. Professor Kwesieni Nwodi to say, and Yamrashabeja Fiabeja Kwa Omate, so Mwankasa, and more minor hobain, no one fifi more hodron farmer a shine Asra for Kogu ho, El Brewer Manfono, and the one yawa for Mudie, Waka say no, and some bre and what to go any and central for Yachibigu Homaso, Tennis Semnibi.
When we say something is intelligence-led, then it is sharply pointed, specific, and deliberate. So an intelligence-led operation that seizes 184 people, brutalized, and if you see the picture of those guys lying in mud, and there's a particular way in which during war you treat people in ways that dehumanizes and takes away their sense of self-respect and humanity. So when you let them, yes, this particular picture, when you let them wade in mud, use my language, like pigs, what you do is that you seek to dehumanize those that you are brutalizing and teaching sense to, so that you create societies of fear and societies of abuse, where that abuse is respected and accepted as the norm. So there's a historicity to this. Part of my pain and this abiding sense of failure also relates to the discursive language used by our political class. So the Parliamentary Committee on Defense and Interior sympathizes not with the family, but with the Ghana Armed Forces as an institution for losing one of their personnel. That is okay. But then the Parliamentary Committee then says, look, we need to be careful about how we handle this case so we don't worsen it. That is not the way oversight must be done. Oversight, and particularly parliamentary oversight, dealing with interior, defense, and intelligence, is about ensuring that the public faith in these institutions are kept.
Wey Professor Kwesi anyone no na director our Faculty of Academic Affairs and Research our Kofi Annan International Peacekeeping Training Center ya wo kire sa Shaman hwehwemu a wasenka mrahye bedwama bedwako a wate so won hwe man ne ba bo ho nsem no ene wanye ne ye kura
ano ya wo dano ke me aya physical department wo mo de baba to dwa kire mu sa containers a wo do ne kioso a age kuma se monten so oboso ama kuma se ahunu die ntimi sipi sita no wo baba yiri nyina do de afiri won ton kopem se boso me wei enkoda wie de na kyese dwumade ne won ma hyase enam so ma yotete bribi se abusua wo ko tech junction ye no ewo ofori krom kroponi mu a assembly ye wo no na hyase a won mu tu sa na mo sana be na kioso ahodo containers sisi nkwanchan age kwan no aboso ema wo mo no wankasa ya huni die ntimi nkwaye no ne nyina da ye betumi ayie na asomni nti ya kwa ma no so na ne won monyafo na na ma ye boa wono ye unit committee chairperson tech electoral area akwakodi nkomo wono monyafo ya moajo Sompa so nie ono bo moajo
hello
me ba cho teme nkia Sompa so nie o ya moajo
ye ja ofa
me ba o na pom ye de
adumia ne kuta yen o
ya da nyame ase ya tete bribi se attack mashase a mudwi containers ahodo atoguo wadawro maboye mu nkire mu na ke nim se aja busumi ya wie na nka ba shase
yo ani ebusa form da mo ase se aja danya akonya die na mu nkyia ichaman nyina ani hia hene ye da ho na ye da na ase papa anyi bibia o ye ti ho eye wiki ya adwoda na home house be catch be now so hotel junction street light no mu be catch say e bedru efiada no no bia yi ni nyoma afi ho na ye de ye nim say o ma seven crofo bi letter eye last year say wo mu ensuring from a structure ewo eho etino mo ba me ho nanse na me sabai kasa me niano me ye committee mu eti yan hwede nyame beye eno mo koy no ma sa ba biem nam se mpa cho metimi nyame na wo mu na nu nchemui na tamu na so a no ma ba ye ho that gas overhead na fe mo be ho so two times on ba juada na yawada musi fiada obi antu free ho ana say ni e kan ho ana omuso nchechirem omuso 2 photo within 20 years anniversary ni so 2 for there ne papa no enti no say o kaso sese kromu a yen ye preso ne mo na o say ka mo ka kire yen ansa na tamu no aso e be yi nyoma na fi ho because here me yen na o 2 form ten so ma sorry de bia santeman de me akura pem ni kasa ibu santeman ena hia hene hia hene mi bunu a mi bu fa sante hene ho ona me ba bi tina he eti se si entu a ye betu na me ka hwe antre ye 2 days am de ma ye ra wo si enyi nyo afiri ho eno kura ne ye kase wonya botre ne enyi enyo ma mo se da ena me se munya botre ena me de me kwa de me de me na kura fa mo fa nko menyanka ana boys begu onom se de ma wo de yi fa ko black say na ye mo abo na me ye just say I didn't know come on my time be a any problem asante ba so say ni kroma ye anyhow because they say America sa no MC ye no wa ye brother ne through NPP me ye NPP chairman me sanso ye committee chairman me sanso delegate mo ti be anti ho ankyere ye hu ya say 2 days won yi mu nyoma emi de no kunya me ani mu ni
momo de no ko ya
so for din be mu na ma
ma me wote man
ba mu buye na me start ye me yi nyoma na yi me nyoma nyina afiri ho
ma me wote man
so me say na de onu no santima no obu obi a odidi mo obi a di ni empani fo na amoaye empani fo no so kam ka bi say ebi a say na ekonti mo ho abo am ho o man ka hwe ankyere ye 2 days na mba yi enyuma ndi free ho no mo na so ja mo da wo ma mo ka bia na ewo in say na edin 20 years ni advice ni wi a obeboa say meta say ye sanko ya no asantuma mu de wutina na se wo yakwadwefo an komku
asasi ya kasa wodu ani bubu a ya hwe
ya hene die
awani wanyafo
musia na wona na se maye ya hene musia na wona na se maye na mene die abroso
ama mo temenka Honorable, wadaroma ya no de waso aba ha kakra na yatumi aye no wano wadaroma wotemenka
ne ba cha hwan
wotemeka sa
hello
ama me ya hwese ya no wode wani bubu asase ya containers dodo sa kiosk dodo sa na won ma sa no ho
lines ni munye
wontemeka sa akra o
osina na ai
ama ba se me kire se ya no aye kasa no containers dodo sa na won ma sa ne wo ho no mu amenei modwa sa no
oh nipa ne de ye dosu nipa no ye wo no ye dosu enso ebeka ye no na me ka se obi kasa me kasa munyai anana na etu bofo ama mu so me yes adwuma no ke me fo so me ye adwuma no etimu kama no ntu tunu kwanya me anim ni se TV station bi enu no eba ebeti wa no
ejana jasa adia ya tete sa bosumi ya wieye eno mo badwiri aguo no momo de no de ankwankwa sa
ye de o ma mo ya mane kula 2 days no mo de ma ye
93.1
ejise sia no mo sigina ye bi se mo sigina ye bi se mo betua na mo foforo bi ana
o ma ka hwe antre ye
ma me basam kire se sia ya akwakwa ye putupuru so sa no a moni nam ho so ne abadwiri mu containers ato aguo no makeka mu abo mu sam so mo betua na mo bi akompanyimfo nchen
ye pesa ye ne se o 2-4% ye na odi na reverse ni wi a anse na etua na mo in fact say nko ye my kula because Monday say me ameka say maji loan kumewu mi ji loan ho and asa mi ji loan ho ni nya wo se nko tua eti ne se kwam de table ko si wa ma hye nyoma wa e wo se me koton ho na se dua da nyame adoma me ko tua mi loan
awan for wadaroma nyantobo ase nkomo ye ya dadodo na ya brani nti ye basa peda na ye ne wadi nkomo wae ye bewura mu pa na ya hwasem no ankasa ba bia ye betimi aka ene mpanyifo akwakoduru ya da se no bro no wadaje
wate ate da ma se pa nyame
nshira wonso abusua ne ne de nkomo yi aye unit committee chairman ya water electoral area warmonyafo nana ama ye boa wano so aka de hia wano containers ne kioso a esisi nkwanchan a water no ene ya dwire guo ne anim sabosumi ya wieye na so mo de mo kire se enrada assembly na be dwiri dodo no a to agu ama sese wo ma no aduane eye abowo no
yanko nsemfoforo muan odifo bi akasa ene watetente so atofo pa mekire odifo Emmanuel Kwakudua ya dodo na nimsi afra no Bible prophet a wo oman Ghana yedie mpaiboko wo no ene wo kire se odoma koma ba de no wo kire so oman Ghana munyi nsuo munyi abotan munyi go na munyi diamond ne anoma hodo bebre emfa nka ho na so yempanyifo tiri moden adwembone na ye nti odoma koma noma ode adom ye no yentime hwe so ye wo se san noma atwa ye ho ahye ni na enya honhom mfasode nko na betime de abrayo wo se honhom fam nso emfaso wo mu pa na so yakase nefo bone semunti ene entime hwe so ye
eti wo man Ghana ye de ntimpa eboku afa atomo so se ye de efiensia ebe bompae ama man Ghana kopem se o man ne befa ne ntoma pa afura na ye share sa o man Ghana ye de ntimpa eboku ase no afinie na afinie no ene nyankopon adda ne numa asem adi akire ne difo se onfa sa kwankyere we ema o man Ghana na akwankyere a onfa mo o man Ghana ne se yemfa ewo a eye onu nyankopon ne numa asem wo engu Ghana ensuo nyina subonten ene asutade nyina mu se de ebeya nyankopon honhom a obo nsuo wo adebom fiti ase na eti nsuo mu no ebesan ayede abetena nsuo mu amanyame tumi aye adwuma ma oman no na nyame difo ebisa nyankopon honhom a oyi ne ho adika asase mense ebeye den na oman na gye di na onyankopon ka se oman na asase ne nsuo nyina asei na menka nkire oman Ghana mpanyimfo ne ahemfo se oman bia da ho na omo sei nsuo ene asase na
Sompa 93.1 FM
nyankopon mu na yede asa ewo so enti sa nyankopon num asem wo we no eno ne yedi begu oman na asase so ene ne nsuo mu ama nyame honhom asane abehwe oman no na ama enyansa ne nimdie ama enema pa ye wono yensu ye nya di am ye ho atoy eti onyankopon asem edadi ewo Isaiah chapter 1 say ampa nyankopon amfa gold ne diamond ne bauxite ne cocoa any timber ama ye kwa wode maye say nyina ye benya ho agapade ne mu sika di am ye ho atoy na afi adenti ene o my Ghana adane eka eda o my ne so a emu mrante ne mu maba wanyina edwane tukwan
Onipa okasa ye aye prophet Emmanuel Kwakudua ya dodo na anim se fra no Bible prophet awoda oman Ghana yedie mpa ebokuo na no
Abusia ya jira we so ne nsem no nyina asiya fa sedama news team no nyina ya da mu ase MC a ho so imane onuanom aseda enkamo Rocky the Darling wona betena fidie na chi ochinchimye yensamfo panyi ora sante ebo Benedict yaso abetena se kenkan nsem yi ayeme akosia ajewa kwade wati mene
akua bo achewa asempa etia
obakua yakono na emase awoda nti mayema na woda pa na mu adwuma ya nya asem ketwa nti awoda de enchi ankoma maame Victoria Konadu do no abona mane se nana ya ene na woda maame nyame nhira pa o ma nkwatenten ahoden ewom aso konofo semenhia ka abo bi chimiri anu achi no we free Dr. Salas ho ye chief driver na wase awoda de enchi ankoma wo fayawo enkran na wo fire ena da ye yin so no Facebook no YouTube no wo fa ho ofe papa tim se de mranti brem no ogina so wo hwe no fune ne body no a bibi aginya makua meboa se wa wo hunu enti wo fa ya mo awoda pawate nyame wo nhiraw wo ma nkwatenten ahodin wom wo ma nananom nyina nse wo body no aha na ne oma nyina nkoyi onu fu ga yo bank ye be no mache abusia ya so ko Sabre die hey anya sam keto akora me man ti dwumadie nana kwabena kese waje no adwa nene nso de nsam wode nam eche akura yi wonna pamfo wonno tenase enyi wafidie ne mfiri ha yakrawo
Sompa